Welcome to the Lend-Lease Project Information Management System Subcontractor tutorial series, Child Assets. In this tutorial video, we will cover asset statuses and then the completion of artifacts in PIMS. We will start with the SAM chosen, layers loaded, and an apartment building selected. First, let's look at the information we have on the overview page. Our construction status is currently set to in progress. We'll go into how to change that in a moment. Beneath your construction status is the Related Assets field. We can see that we have a count of 7 child assets, and beside that are 2 numbers giving us additional information. The 1 in a blue circle indicates that 1 child is in progress. The 6 in a red circle tells us that 6 children have a non-executable status set. In order to change our asset status, we need to access the Artifacts, Statuses, and Children page for the MDU. There are 2 ways to do this. The first is to open the Asset menu and click or tap the Artifacts option. The second is by scrolling to the top of the overview page and clicking or tapping on the Children count. At the top of the Artifacts page, we can see the NBN status of the asset. This will be set by your Lend-Lease supervisor. The second entry is the construction status. When the edit link is selected, a list of options will appear, allowing us to declare that work against this asset is still ongoing, that physical work has been finished but elements of the SOR such as testing remain to be completed, that this asset is complete, or that the asset is non-executable with additional information. The On Hold option will be set or turned off by your Lend-Lease supervisor or land access team. If you have questions about non-executable statuses or the On Hold status, contact your Lend-Lease supervisor. Let's leave In Progress selected for the apartment building. Beneath your construction status is a list of child assets. In order to complete artifacts digitally for child assets such as the individual apartments, and to set their statuses as complete, click or tap the appropriate asset name in the Children list. PIMS will warn us that it cannot find this child asset on the map. As child assets do not have map icons, we can click OK to pass the warning. This will take us to the Child Assets Overview page. Go to the Child Assets Artifacts page either using the Asset menu or by clicking directly on the construction status. Here we can edit the construction status for this individual unit. And our artifact collection form is available to be filled out. Beneath our form is a field allowing us to add notes specifically to this unit, and an option to add attachments. In order to save any changes you have made to your status and entries onto your artifacts form, click the Update Asset button. To return to your parent asset, either click the asset icon on the map or click the parent asset code in the Belongs To field.